徛台湾看世界，来看美国的总统川普第二度到英国做国事访问。英国的国王查尔斯三世是高规格来接待，派出着皇家空军的军机冲场来迎接。马里的温莎城堡来设国宴招待川普。川普致辞讲，会当受到邀请到英国进行2届的国事访问，这是真悬的荣幸。英国的国王查尔斯三世是赞扬着川普为和平付出的努力。
英国皇家空军特技飞行队伫温莎城堡顶悬放红白蓝3色的彩烟。美国总统川普17正式展开第2届英国国事访问的行程。英国的王室也安排高规格军事欢迎的仪式。各地温莎城堡设国宴款待川普甲随行的人员。英王查尔斯3世致辞的时阵讲，英美有特殊的关系，甲坚定的信任。佮俄罗川普为和平做出努力。
Our countries are working together in support of crucial diplomatic efforts, not least of which, Mr. President, is your own personal commitment to finding solutions to some of the world's most intractable conflicts in order to secure peace.
那川普是头一届来到温莎城堡，看出来已经欢喜。
It's a singular privilege to be the first American president welcomed here. And if you think about it, it's a lot of presidents, and this was the second state visit, and that's the first, and maybe that's going to be the last time. I hope it is, actually. But this is truly one of the highest honors of my life. Such respect for you and such respect for your country.
伊也强调，美国甲英国的关系，谁拢无法度取代。
The bond of kinship and identity between America and the United Kingdom is priceless and eternal. It's irreplaceable and unbreakable.
川普互安排坐伫咧查尔斯3世甲凯特王妃的中午，梅兰妮亚是坐伫咧卡米拉王妃甲威廉王子的中午，美国国务卿卢比欧坐伫咧查尔斯3世倒边。美国财政部长贝森特坐伫咧卡米拉正墙边，可见英国用偌悬的规格来接待川普。甲川普做伙出访的有辉达的执行长王正芬、OpenAI 执行长阿特曼，甲苹果的执行长库克等等，工商界的头人拢有参加。有专家讲，梅兰妮亚伫国宴穿一束黄色的礼服，配浅粉红色的腰带，一束青菜色地用了真大胆。那凯特王妃是穿一束金色的礼服，外口佮踏一领长黄的手工刺绣的外套，非常显眼。
你好，我是宋彦明。想掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶紧订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。